In today's video, I am going to teach you how to disable I'm Not a Robot on Google Chrome 2025 vertical bar quick fix. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you are using the Chrome window where you have been seeing the repeated I'm not a robot message. You do not need to visit any specific website for this process. Once Chrome is open, use the keyboard shortcut to bring up the Clear Browsing Data menu. If you are using a Windows computer, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. After pressing the shortcut, you should see a window or settings panel called Clear Browsing Data. Now look for the time range option near the top of the Clear Browsing Data window. Click the drop-down menu next to Time Range. From the list of available options, choose All Time. All Time makes sure Chrome clears the full set of stored data related to the options we are about to choose. Once the time range is set to All Time, look at the checkboxes in the same window. Make sure cookies and other site data is checked. Next, make sure cached images and files is also checked. Cached files are stored by Chrome to help websites load faster, but if those files become outdated or corrupted, they can sometimes interfere with how websites load or verify your browser. When everything is selected correctly, click Clear Data. Chrome will now remove the selected cookies and cached files. After the data has been cleared, Chrome has refreshed the stored site information that can contribute to repeated I'm not a robot messages. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to clear the Chrome data that may be causing repeated I'm not a robot prompts.